Hi, I'm farm-to-table chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and today we're talking about how to grow vegetable sprouts. So for vegetable sprouts, you always want to follow the planting guidelines for whatever seed you're planting. So you want to always start off with all-purpose potting soil and little containers that are sufficient to hold whatever seed you're planting. And then I'll just choose a seed. Let's plant some lettuce today. And you're always going to want to plant a few more seeds than you're actually going to have lettuce in the pot. So I'm going to put 2 in each container, pretty much in the middle, about an inch apart from each other. And then we're going to cover them with all-purpose potting soil, about 1/2 inch, like so. And then we're going to give them some water. And you want to check them every day to every other day and make sure that they're just staying hydrated. So I'm just going to give them all healthy water. And we're going to always make sure that they stay in a nice sunny place and that you check them daily to make sure they stay hydrated. And the germination for this lettuce that I just planted was butter lettuce. It's about 7 to 10 days. And that's how you sprout vegetables. I'm Farm to Table Chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com. Thank you for watching.